Now welcome to Big 10 PD. We pack a punch for only 10 minutes. Well, maybe a little more sometimes. Now if you're watching on Touchcast, you're in luck. All the content in the video is interactive. Yes, you can actually play with the stuff straight from the video. If you're watching on YouTube, you don't have the same advantage. So I encourage you to visit the Touchcast page with the link in the annotations. Now today's topic is Deep Dive Symbaloo. A deep dive is just a basic tutorial. The goal is to show you the basic functions of some of my favorite apps. I'll be working on an iTunes U course also for each site that take it further and into the more complex features of each site. The way this will work is I'll talk about the basic step. You can have access to a screen capture video that shows you how to do it, and then I'll open it up online and you can do it. Now, I'm David Lockhart, your host and EdTech guru. Now, Symbaloo. Symbaloo at its base is a social bookmarking site. It's a way to save sites for others to use in a beautiful format. It looks very similar to the new Windows tile-based system. You can really do so much more with it though. Symbaloo could be used to do presentations, curriculum maps, unit plans, differentiated instruction, and really so much more. And so now here you can stop and watch this video. This is a basic video from Symbaloo, from the company, that tells you what Symbaloo is. So step 1. And here's the YouTube. Well, the first thing we have to do is sign up for a Symbaloo account. Go to symbalooedu.com, not symbaloo.com. Many websites have versions for educators, and Symbaloo is no different. So when you go to Symbaloo, click on Sign Up in the top right corner. You can register through Facebook, Edmodo, or you can create a new account. A new account just takes a name, an email, and password creation. Now I'm going to open it up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started. Now step 2. Now step 2 is an easy one. Let's create a new web mix. You can do it one of two ways. On the far top left of the screen, there's a menu icon with a down arrow. Once you click that down arrow, at the bottom of that menu, there's an Add Web Mix button. You can click that, or you can click the plus sign in the top right corner of your screen in order to add a new web mix. Give it a title and click Add. Now just like everything, we're going to open it up on the web, so get started with it right now. Now step 3. Now step 3 is adding a tile link, and here's the YouTube video to show you how to do it. All you have to do is click on the tile, then hit Create a Tile. Enter the link in the address bar, add a name for the title. Check the Show Text box if you want it to show on the text to show on your final tile. In the icon section, you can either click on one of the icons that comes up after you put the web address in, or you can add your own. Most of the time, you can add your own simply by doing an online image search. Click Save in the bottom corner. Now, of course, I'm going to open it up on the web, and you can get started straight from the video. Now, this is part A. There will be a part B that'll show you steps 4 and 5. Welcome to Big 10 PD. This is actually part B of Deep Dive Symbaloo, where we tell you all about Symbaloo. So this is going to be step 4 and step 5. So open it up, steps 4's video tutorial. You can also add news feeds and embed things into the web mix. To add a news feed, you go through the same process as before. Click on the tile, click Create a Tile, enter the link to the RSS website in the address bar. And you can find them with RSS feed icons on most news websites. Copy that link and post it into the web address box to create a tile. Make sure the box right next to it says News Feed. Add a title for your tile. You don't need an icon, and then you hit Save. Now to embed things, click on a tile. Click Create a Tile. Get the link of an embeddable item such as a Google Doc or a YouTube video. Paste that address into the web address field. Make sure the box next to it says Embedded. Add a title and an icon, then hit Save. You can now open that item directly in YouTube. The Google Drive documents open up a world of possibilities of what you can do with Symbaloo. And now I'm going to open it up on the web so that you can do it right now. Now finally, step 5. And step 5, and here's the video tutorial, is to share it. After you've added all the tiles you want, click Share on the top of the menu. Then you You then title it, add a description, and add tags that people can find it by. After finishing that, hit share. You can then use the link to share with others, or you can take that embedded code and place the webmix on your website. Now I'm going to open it up online. We'll go back one. I'm going to open up online and you can share the webmix you've created. Now thanks for watching. If this will come up. For more information, you can visit my Twitter feed, which is LD112265, or you can visit my website, which is edtechspeeddating.com.